What's up guys, and welcome back to my video. In today's video is going to be me cleaning a car that just came back from a rental, and this guest really brought the car back very dirty, and surely you'll see how dirty it was. Maybe on video it might not seem as dirty, but there's some few things that I'll be showing you guys. First, I'll start by removing some of the trash that was around, removing the carpets, some food wrapping under the seat, when I removed this carpet, there was a garlic dipping sauce just chilling right there. I don't know how it got there. More trash. Can of Red Bull. So when I opened the glove compartment, there was a lot of crumbs from a croissant, something like this. On camera it's not really too noticeable, but in real life, in front of it you can see there was a lot of crumbs. So I had to remove all the papers to be able to clean the inside. I also found a cigarette. Now that's out of the way, I'll start vacuuming. Soon I'll be posting a video of me removing the salt from the floors and the mats. Right now I'm not focusing on this yet. Now outside it was very cold, so my spray was having a hard time to release the cleaning product.